Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. I am Asha, better known as English with Asha ma'am, because I run a different YouTube channel that goes by the name English with Asha ma'am. It is basically a reading channel where I post different kind of reading material and then I translate it so that I can connect to the basic level learners. And many of the basic level learners have benefited out of that, and they have even thanked me that ma'am, you have helped us a lot in cracking some exams. So, but they had been requesting me that we want you to start with the spoken English classes. So I thought that why not create a different YouTube channel for that, which caters only for the learners who want to improve and enhance their spoken English skills. Here in this channel, I'll be focusing and giving you tips and tricks how to enhance your spoken English skills. So in this first video, I want to share my journey and my experiences of my 2 years journey on YouTube. So what happened, because I was focusing too much on translation thing, English to Hindi, that has affected my fluency as well. So because I was not able to speak much in English, so it somehow or somewhere affected my fluency. So here in this channel, I will also learn along with you all, embark on this journey together. We will learn, we'll make mistakes and grow together. So you can look forward to getting new vocabulary words, enhancing your vocabulary, then idioms and phrases. On this channel, we'll be focusing only on English and basically will not use any Hindi at all. There'll be no fallback option. Conversing in English, try to comment in English, whether it is broken, whether it is perfect, but try that from your side also. You will try to connect, you will try to interact with me in English, and we will have lots of fun and learning together. I expect that the love you have showered on me on my previous YouTube channel, the same kind of love and support you will show here as well. So subscribe to the channel so that we can start on this English learning journey together. Thank you.